This is long and not cheap. This is not Govee. This is basically, you know, one of these come up brands that don't really brand their name out there. They do have a brand name here on Amazon. Once again, these are a little bit up there as far as price goes, so we will see how they look and then I will let you know. As you can see on here, it is running low on battery, but here, power button, change your color here. Oh, this is nice, you guys. This is nice. All right, you have it on auto. This is what auto looks like. I'm reviewing this already, you guys. I didn't think I would be. All right, you guys, so they put the indications of the buttons in front. All right, and then they put the buttons on the back. I wish they would have put the buttons on front so it'd just be easier to tap the mode that you want, and then they could have put what the buttons mean on the back. So I don't know if that mean anything to anybody, but you know, we went up on speed, and when you go up on speed, whatever mode you in, it goes fast. And if you keep going up, it changes. It goes like that. So that's pretty nice. Then we have here, what is this one? Brightness. All right, I probably won't see nothing since I'm in the light, but we will check this out in the dark. That was dimming. This is brighten. So I'm brightening right now, and I'm gonna dim it. So this is dim, this is brighten. Once again, we will check it out in the dark. Now we have mode. We have mode positive, mode negative. So let's just hit mode positive. All right, so it seems like if these are the main colors, and I do apologize, I know it's bright, but we will check this out once again. All right, you guys, so just wanted to go over that real quick. So now that we figured out that this is definitely wireless, 2000 milliamp, up to 2.5 hours. So if you're the type that's a gamer, I don't know how long you be gaming. I don't know how long you be blogging. All right. And the instructions is basically more about the remote than it is the actual glow stick right here. It's really not too much to it. I will post up the key instructions. I will post up the remote controller functions. We will go over it, do a little quick overview real quick. There's a little plastic piece right there. You have to take that off so the battery can activate. All right, you guys, it's time to have some fun. This is a fun channel, you guys. We're not serious on this channel. I mean, we're serious, but you know, you don't have to be that serious. Okay, so 13 foot is right here to my couch, and the battery is not charged up all the way, and it's working at 10 foot. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead. All right, you guys, so I am 13 foot away, and basically all remotes work for the same one. And for the other ones over here, you have to actually turn on the unit. So when you get it out the box, don't think that, you know, it don't work. You're trying to do this and you're like, okay, the product don't work. I'm about to return it, you know, blah, 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 blah. The product works. You just have to turn this on first. That way you can send a signal to your remote to your light. So what we're going to do is turn it on. Once we turn it on, we're going to hit off. On, off. All right, you guys, so now it's time to set the mood. Let me go ahead and dim these lights. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and turn these on. I'm going to turn it on now. There goes 1. And there goes 2. Now I am approximately 16 feet away. Let me go and show you. So I do have the measuring tape out there, you guys. This is proof. This is proof. I'm not lying to y'all. So we are 16 feet away. I love my purple, you guys. Now the way I have the lights, I aimed them right behind the 2 TVs right there. And right now, let me turn down the dimness. When I'm doing this, I'm aiming over this way, okay? Now I'm gonna turn down the dimness over here. 15 feet away, you guys. This thing works. Basically, the brightness is all the way down, you guys. Now I'm gonna turn the lights all the way off. Oh, wow, this looks so cool, you guys. Wow. Now, this is brightness all the way down. I am not adjusting the camera, okay? I'm gonna leave the camera alone just like that. So you have red, green, and I'm doing this without seeing the remote, you guys. So blue, yellow, yellow, purple, it's our favorite. And then the little, I guess you would say light blue. And then we have white. Let's see, white. So we have white or daylight. And then we got daylight. So I have to actually aim it downwards for it to work, but that's fine. Now I can't see nothing. I know that's on, off. All right, this is auto, I believe. So we got it on auto. And if you keep hitting auto, it changes to the color automatically. So you see that? I am not touching nothing right now, you guys. That's auto mode, turning mode all the way down. I'm not sure. I won't be using these, you guys, but I'm just showing you. Ooh, that became bright. Kind of like that. All right. Oh, it does different ones. Okay. So I'm going to hit mode up, leave it alone. Let's see what happens. All right. So it's doing some type of flash on both sides. Okay, so that would kind of be cool on the background. So y'all can let me know if y'all leave it like this or do y'all turn it towards the wall. So let me show y'all what it looks like when you turn it towards the wall. I know this is kind of a long review, but you know, that's how my reviews are, you guys. I get in detail when I do products and stuff. I've always been like this. I actually do this off camera. So right now I have it towards the wall. All right, light is aiming towards the wall and it's still bright on the screen. Wow, I'm ready to, I'm going to set one color again. Set one color again. Now I'm going to go to brightness. Full brightness, you guys. And this one all the way dimmed. So full brightness, all the way dimmed right there. And then these last ones I'm gonna go with is speed. So let's check out speed real quick. I think speed has to do with the mode. You know, when the lights was doing that little certain special thing, you have speed. So I'm not going to get into all that. I think I did a little review on that already. You have music right here. So I believe it probably goes to the beat of your music. So right now it's not doing nothing, but it's actually going with my voice. So if I'm talking, you have to listen. Lights on. Light stay purple. All right. So as I said, oh, and that's the bright side too. So let me turn that down for y'all. Okay. So I am going to turn down the brightness. And once I turn down the brightness, it's gone, but it actually going with my voice. Now this is music mode, you guys. So if you have like bass and stuff like that, it's going to go with the music. You could use this to do parties, stuff like that. So the lights are awesome. All right, you guys. So once again, these lights are pretty cool. One thing I'm going to say is I do not have these charged yet. These are still fresh out the box. Okay. And it said music 1 and music 2. Let me see, music 2. Music 2, I am talking. Okay, so music 2 actually changed colors. So this is definitely party lights, you guys. You can use this to party with. Okay, now let's go ahead and turn it back. Music 1, or I'll leave it on purple. All right, so we have it on purple. Now, it seems like there's a little bit lag time when you're trying to hit the remote to this, but I believe it's mainly because of these sticks. These light sticks are not charged up fully. So if you can deal with the lag, a lot of these remotes are, I mean, if you have products that use these type of remotes, then you know the remotes are like not A1, all right? But mainly for me, it's about the product and what you can do with the product. So for me, I love these products because they're wireless, all right? And basically you set it on its charge, and you can have these lights set anywhere you want without the inconvenience of putting a wire or leaving a cord on it. So that is probably the best thing I love about these products. But as far as the remotes go, you guys, I know these are little cheap remotes, so don't expect something, you know, like a super good remote. All right, probably the best remote is your phone. So if you have these type of glow sticks, or lighting sticks, or whatever you want to call it, if you have these type of sticks, using the app may be better. All right, so if you have Govee, or if you have any other products that does lighting, then using the app may be better than using these little remotes. That's the only thing I could say. But other than that, I'm happy about the product because what you can do with the product as far as being portable. All right, and that's about it, you guys. I think I'm done. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, hit the notification bell so you can be notified on cool products, you guys. Cool products that we got coming to the channel. Cool outdoor products that we have coming to the channel, especially lawn work, garage work. I do studio work. I do all types of work. We jack all trades, but I'm a master of none. So that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.